Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a strong profile in Upwork. The first one is your headline. Your headline is one of the first things potential clients will see. So make it count. Instead of just listing your job title, create a headline that clearly states what you do and the value you bring. For example, instead of graphic designer, try something like creative graphic designer specializing in branding and web design. This not only showcases your expertise but also helps you appear in more relevant search results. So make sure your headline is customized. Next, let's talk about your profile summary. This section should be client focused, highlighting how you can solve their problem and meet their needs. Start with a strong introduction that grabs attention. Then move on to describe your skills, experience, and what makes you unique. Use bullet points to make it easy to read and include relevant keywords that clients might search for. End with a call to action, encouraging clients to contact you for more information or to discuss their projects. Your skills section is crucial for helping clients understand what you can do. Upwork allows you to list up to 10 skills, so choose those that best reflect your expertise and are most relevant to the jobs you are targeting. Make sure these skills align with services you offer in your profile summary and portfolio. Regularly update this section to include any new skills you have acquired. Now, your portfolio is where you can really shine. Include samples that showcase your best works and be sure to diversify them to demonstrate your versatility. Each portfolio item should include a brief description of the project, your role, and the results achieved. If you're just starting out and don't have much client work to show, create sample projects that highlight your skills. This will give potential clients confidence in your abilities. Now, your profile photo is more important than you might think. It helps build trust with potential clients. Choose a clear, high-quality image where you look professional and approachable. Avoid selfies and casual pictures. If possible, use a photo that reflects the type of work you do, such as headshot if you are in a professional field. Now, client reviews are one of the most powerful tools on Upwork. They provide social proof that deliver quality work. After completing a job, always ask your client for a feedback. If you're new to Upwork, consider offering a few lower priced jobs to build up your reviews quickly. Display these reviews prominently on your profile and respond to them politely to show potential clients that you value their feedback. Now, pricing your services correctly is the key to attracting clients while ensuring you are fairly compensated. Start by researching what other freelancers in your niche are charging. If you're new, consider setting your rates slightly lower to build up your portfolio and client base. As you gain more experience and positive reviews, gradually increase your rates. Make sure your rates reflect the quality of the work you offer. Clients are often willing to pay more for proven expertise. Finally, staying active on Upwork is essential for profile visibility. Log in daily and apply to new jobs regularly and respond promptly to client messages. Upwork's algorithm favors active freelancers, so the more engaged you are, the more likely you are to appear in client searches. Additionally, keep your profile updated with new skills, experiences, and portfolio items to reflect your growth as a freelancer. So that's how you create a strong profile in Upwork. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.